Good morning, good afternoon, good night, and good evening. Welcome to my channel Crypto Cracks. My name is Vicky. Every day on this channel I take you through all the updates, analysis, and news and whatever is going on in the crypto world. Today, guys, I want to talk to you about something which is the right time to talk about, and I think it's about time that we start going in that direction and start teaching you the fundamentals and the technicals so that you can start making money depending on what kind of your investments are. So I've broken this down into two segments. What kind of people are there in crypto, first of all, and then what kind of investments or money you can invest in crypto. So first of all, there is the second one, which is what kind of money you can invest. You can make money in crypto from two ways: trading or investing. The most safe, risk-free, and a beginner level start in crypto or in any financial market you are trying to get yourself into has to be investment. That you invest and you see your money grow, and it's proven. It's much more safer. And then the second stage is that you come into trading. Once you come into trading, then you have a choice whether you want to continue to invest into crypto, whether you want to just completely become a trader. And at the same time, some of the time you are also, which is the majority of the time actually, that what people would do is tend to do, or the clever people will do, maybe not even clever, because I know people who are just trading and they are enough, they're making enough money in that way. But a lot of people will be putting both strategies together, which is investment and trading. And however, you do start only from investment first, and then you walk into trading, because you have to learn a lot of things. You have to learn about the coins, about the markets, about the trends, about what the other people are doing, about the whales, and so many other things, about the manipulations, about so many things. And especially crypto, you can really make a lot of money in trading. And you know what the beauty about trading and investment is? Investment makes you money and trading makes you money even when the market is down. You have to understand, you have to mainly understand that in terms of investment, you're going to be making only money when the market is down. Right now, people who have the least money, I think people who are into crypto new, or people who are into crypto with less money, with like $1,000 or $100, $10,000, $100,000. I think 100,000, 10,000 becomes a little bit of a big money for a lot of people. But let's say like you're putting small money into crypto. This is the best time for you to be waiting. A lot of people who are looking at this Bitcoin dip right now as, wow, what's going on? These are the people who are actually falling for the shakeup. If you already invested, investment is always long-term, trading is short-term. And if you calculate the long-term versus short-term, you get the idea of exactly what you are into. If you're looking at the Bitcoin chart right now, which is looking like, oh, it's falling down, it's because you're looking at it at a very zoomed chart. If you just zoom out from that chart and you look at the chart in general, you will see, wow, it's just going up and up and up. So if you are sleeping, wake up, look at the chart and look at it from the back angle, look at it from the zoom out angle, and you will see Bitcoin is still going up. All this time is just when you zoom in, you see a little bit of the activity within, and that's what the hype gets created. That's where the hype gets created. That's where the FUD gets created. So you need to keep your mindset clear that you invested the money. In the long run, yes, the market is volatile. I always say that, but the market is not declining. Market is volatile. It can go up and down. But if you invested the money and you said, you know what, I'm investing for X amount of months, X amount of years, and the more appreciation you will have is how many months or years you have put your money in, and then you can continue to skim the profits. A lot of people who are already running this cycle in Bitcoin at the second time or the third time, or have been in the game from all this time, they all know how to keep locking your profits. If you have been watching my videos as well, I've been telling you, keep locking your profits while you go. Don't wait for it, and then leave the believe money, or leave the moon money, or leave the money which you, for example, are gonna leave it and not touch it, not rely on it, and watch that grow as well. But don't panic when the market goes up and down. Just stay focused, stay on your strategy. We have to understand what is Bitcoin halving. I think that's another important segment which I want to talk about in this video, is that I'm going to start putting on, now is the right time, and I think the time has come. I already had this in my plans since the first day I made this group, since the first day I started to run this channel, is that this time will come when I will start teaching you all how to trade, what is Bitcoin, what is cryptocurrency, and how do you understand the different cycles of cryptocurrency. What are the statistics which I have been so crazy about telling you to put your money in the first place as well. And it's because there is a simple logic in the maths, in the science of how you make money if you hold it for the X amount. But you just need to know about the knowledge. If you have the knowledge, you never panic. But you people who panic is the ones who don't have the knowledge. It's nothing to do with some people, they will pick up a spider and they will let the spider roll around their hands everywhere. They would even pick it up like this, chuck it like that, or sometimes even like the ones which are in domestic spiders, which people get crazy because these people probably have the knowledge that this spider is not going to sting me. This spider is actually scared of me rather than me being scared of them. And when you have the knowledge, you don't have the fear. So take it in the same way that crypto will become your spider and will scare you if you don't know what's going on, if it will sting you, or actually you are the one who is going to dominate and come out as a winner if you just hold right now and don't get these manipulation shake. You look at the beautiful system of manipulation. Donald Trump tweets against crypto. Elon Musk start tweeting against Bitcoin, mainly Bitcoin, yeah, not even crypto to be honest. Donald Trump Bitcoin. China bans Bitcoin. Elon Musk start telling about negative about Bitcoin. FBI all of a sudden said, oh, we confiscated this X amount of money from this X pipeline collision. I think both the whole, with the FBI story, it was like a confirmation that how beautiful all these system has been played through to manipulate the price down, and then they get countries' involvements and all of this, just like a provocation, so that everybody can wake up and they can start watching these angles and all these plays are coming. Guys, watch out on a few things. Jeff Bezos is totally quiet. Nothing he has said so far. That could be another one which he can come and say something and pump the market up, because he's one, I think he's quiet. I'm not saying he might come and say, he might not come, but there is a chance. I believe that, there will be another little speak coming out, which is maybe Jeff Bezos can come something and say, oh, it's going to be negative about Bitcoin, or he can say something positive like, yo, we can start putting Bitcoin on Amazon and people can start buying and selling through Bitcoin on Amazon and transfer money and blah, blah, blah. So that could be something which happened and that can shoot the price again within the bull run. I still believe that we are slightly in the bull run because these fundamentals and technicals are still showing the right direction, and we are watching this. And right now, if Bitcoin goes below 20k, I'll be buying more, to be honest, at the time, because that will be one more chance to keep buying. But I will be buying with the mentality that I will hold it for at least 2 years, because I know that time I'm looking at a heavy amount of Bitcoin, and then if I hold it for 5 years, I'm looking at easily about £500,000 to £1 million worth of Bitcoin. So this is where the predictions of the prices are going. So the more you hold, the more you carry. And people who have less money, they should be happy that right now they got more chances to go and buy these things. I'm not saying right now go fully into buy it, because right now the market is still going down. Wait for the full dip, and don't just be a buyer like, oh, I want to wait for the dip and buy and then sell. Be a buyer who just buys comfortably at any time and hold it. Don't need, if the market goes further down, no worries, because I already know the market will bounce back to these levels and then further on at my time frame, and that's what you need to be thinking about. So please take all these lessons in. I'll be now switching also towards giving some tutorials and knowledge about all these little fundamentals and technicals about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, so that you get more confidence and you don't fall the victim of any panicking. And if you need the money, you take out and you just take out and use it. But if you invest, first rule of investment is you put the money which you are ready to lose, so that you don't panic. First of all, this is first rule. This is the rule I'm talking about, which is used by the most biggest professional traders in the world, and they make money. So if they have this rule, stick to it. Don't take it as a negative, oh, I'm going to lose money. Second rule is don't change your strategy halfway through the market. Whatever strategy you put your money initially, you stick to that strategy. Don't panic and don't be the one who is surfing upon the waves. Be the one who is underwater, swimming smoothly, quietly, peacefully. That's what should be your mindset when you are in crypto right now, or any investment market, but especially in crypto, because it can make you money. Which investment, with the difference between stock market and crypto is, if you play this game in stock market about 40 to 50 years, you can do that in crypto in about 5 to 10 years. So guys, you can save your 40 years of life by just focusing maybe the next 5 years. I would say, some people come to me and say, hey, tell me another way I tell people is, if you keep on doing what you're doing and you put your money savings into crypto and do it for 3 years, whatever money you make, whatever job you have been doing for the next 3 years, whatever money cumulatively you would have made, that investment which you are making into crypto, if it's nice enough, moderate enough, it will make you the same money by doing nothing. And then you can realize, oh wow, I just doubled my money. I just earned, and I got this money as well, which was working for me on the side. And then at the same time, you will be so knowledgeable to know about crypto that you could be the ones which is leading the way. Crypto is still very new. Only 1% of the people who are involved into crypto are the ones who are, is only 1% of the people who are into crypto right now. Among that 1%, 95% don't know what's going on. So they just need to get more knowledge so that they move further than money. A lot of that, among that 1% of the people, there's a lot of people who come and go, but there is that certain 5% top group, I would say, or 10%, I would say, top group, who stays in this market, continuously makes money, and probably will be the one who will end up pioneering the whole crypto in many ways. Crypto is endless. If you are a businessman, if you are a marketeer, if you are a food business, if you are into beauty business, if you are into tech business, if you are into construction business, automobile, in anything, this information, DeFi, blockchain, systems, tokens, mining, apps being developed on so many other aspects, financial systems, money movements, all these things will help you in so many aspects of life. It's not just that you are learning this so that you are going to be a crypto geek. No, you can learn. Blockchain is going to be everywhere in the future industry. I've got friends who work for KPMG, EY, Barclays, HSBC, Citibank, and they are auditors. They are highly paid. They are on high positions in those financial companies. I am telling them to learn about crypto because that's going to be the future. People who will come in their companies as new employees who will be hired, youngsters, they will know about all these things, and you're going to look less of a attraction for the company at the time. If you are in job or if you are in business, you have to be ahead of the game, so that your competitors can be ahead as well. A lot of people who are making money in crypto will probably will put in their businesses, and the people who are just relying on their businesses on traditional ways will possibly be going and taking a bank loan to compete with with these same businesses which established. Plus, we are going through this pandemic period, which will involve you, which will tell you, which is teaching you that right now a lot of old game players are getting shut down, which is giving opportunities for a lot of new game players to come in as well at the same time. So all these things will play a part in crypto. I just wanted to make this random video with so many things cooked up together so that I can give you a little of my heart out and make you understand that, guys, hang in there. We are in a good market. We are at the early stage. Any successful trader or investor can never be successful unless they go through a bear period. If we are going through these little mini bear seasons, we have to just go through them so that we make money. No successful trader have ever been successful who have not lost money in order to make money. And this is how because when you lose money, that's the time when you are fully focused. Hey, how can I learn more? What can I do? When you're making money, you are chilling. It's the same thing on many levels. When you are you only gain in pain. When you are in pain, that's the time when you start doing things in your life. When you are uncomfortable, that's the time when you start struggling to make your life comfortable. When you get comfortable, you enjoy for a little bit, and then that's why they say strive for more. If you get comfortable for too long time, you get lazy, you are declining. So just want to leave you with these thoughts. Love you guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy. Hang in there. Don't worry. And plus, we'll continue to see my videos, because I'm going to start giving you more videos, more knowledge, probably more tutorials on what is about cryptocurrency, and the next stage, which is how to trade when the market will be going down. The market is still struggling around $30,000. It might go up to 20 and struggle back, but I think it's going to stabilize within that zone because it's still showing resistance at 30K. But even I'm trying to start teaching you now, how can we start making money as traders? First of all, not investors. You need to decide what kind of an investor and trader you are, and then you stick to that as well. If you're just an investor, you stick to that investment till you learn further and you're ready to trade. Don't need to jump, small steps, easy. But if you're already a trader or getting into trading, use my link as well. At the same time, open your account on Binance, open your account on Bybit. I'm going to share the links in the bottom of the video. Open your account on Coinbase as well for investors. But we will start teaching you how to start making money while the market is even going down. But right now, let's focus on stabilize, resistance, and life and holding. Thank you very much. Adios, and see you guys soon with the next video shortly.